Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by just clicking the red button in bottom. So, if you guys want this video to be one of my popular video on my video list, to watch the video till end and do share. This is not only the reason to watch the video, but also video 2 is interesting to watch till end. So today I am going to make layer Khawa Paratha, most interesting, yummy and most important instant sweet making recipe. For that we have to take two parts. In first part we are going to make atta, in second part we are going to make mawa stuffing. For first part atta making, we are going to take wheat atta. If we took one bowl of wheat atta, then take quarter of maida. After that add generous amount of ghee, add pinch of salt and knead till its soft dough is done. Now our dough is ready and let's go to the second part. The second part is making this paste, white paste, which is the secret ingredient for making the layers. For that take 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of maida. Rub it properly so that a soft white fluffy paste is ready. Our fluffy paste and soft dough is ready. Now take the dough and make round shaped chapati. Put this white paste on it evenly and then put some maida atta over it. Now cut the strips and put the strip one above other and roll it out. And now our dough is ready and our layered atta balls are also ready and done. Let's go to next part, which is making stuffing. But if you guys have reached over here, make a small effort to just click the like button in bottom. So let's move to the khava or mawa stuffing. For that take khava, which is available in supermarket or in sweet shop. If you guys want me to show khava recipe, comment me. Now our khava story is done and our layers are also done. You can see how sweet these layers have came. This is interesting and IMP step to be done for getting nice crispy layers in paratha. Coming back to our khava, secondly take dry fruits. You can take whichever dry fruits you like pistachio, cashew nuts, badam. I do like cashew nuts and badam, so I have taken this. Make fine paste of dry fruits. You can roast them before use and take sugar as per taste. Now roast the khava for 2 to 3 minutes and let it cool down completely. Now add sugar powder as per taste and dry fruit powder, and lastly elaichi powder for flavor. Mix it well and yep, our stuffing is also ready. You can see how beautiful this mawa stuffing has been made. You can also try it at home. If you have tried it once at home, do comment us if you like making this amazing khava / mawa recipe. So now take the atta ball which we have made, put maida on rolling pin, put out our atta ball and make small chapati for adding the stuffing. You can make bowl shape like modak. I am going to just make round shape by using the rolling pin. Now put generous amount of mawa / khava stuffing. The more you add, the more amazing it's going to taste. After adding the stuffing, do close the end so that the stuffing don't come out. Be careful while closing the ends. Now slowly roll out like a chapati so that it don't break out. If you have reached over here and like the recipe, do like, share with your friends and family and click the subscribe button for more such interesting and secret tips of cooking. Coming back to the point, our chapati is done and it's round in shape. Put tawa on gas and let it get hot. Put flame on medium. Hit the tawa properly. Now put the stuffed paratha on tawa carefully and cook from one side till it's goldenish brown. Then turn on this side and cook again till the other side is goldenish brown. And add little ghee and serve hot. Our khava / mawa paratha is ready to serve hot on any occasion in your house. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share, and thank you for those who have subscribed. And if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe. Thank you.